Hey friends, if you encounter DirectX function failed error with DGXI error with the code GetDeviceRemovedreason, then please watch this video. So you need to update the display drivers first of all. Search for device manager and open the device manager. Now expand the list for display adapter drivers. Right click on each one of them and update the drivers. The next one is to update DirectX. Type DXDIAG and then go to DirectX. Okay. Now click on next page and let it collect the information and automatically update it. Next, and it will update it. It will also mention no problems found. The last one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.